Guys, Seedance 2.0 just landed on AI Studios. We already had Kling and Veo. Now with Seedance 2.0, our video generator is on a whole new level. Hit the Seedance 2.0 menu and boom, this is what you get. Now here's the feature you're really gonna love, multi-reference. You can throw in up to 12 references, images, audio, video, all at once. Then just mention them right in your prompt. That easy. Like this. Take the person in at video 1, swap their face with the person in at image 1, and remake at video 1 with that face. And just like that, it comes out exactly like this. Wild, right? No more stressing about how to make it. Just type it out and let Seedance do the work. Oh, but we're not done. We also plug Seedance 2.0 into our product avatar feature. Product avatar already lets you pick a product and an avatar, and it makes a video of them presenting it. But now with Seedance, the quality is on a completely different level. And there are 5 modes to choose from. Product review, where the avatar actually uses the product, tutorial for how-to content, unboxing for that fresh out-of-the-box feel, virtual try-on for fashion and wearables, and style shots for those clean detail close-ups. Let's make one right now! Click any of these examples and a prompt pops up. Just tweak it however you want. I'll swap in this avatar, change up the product, and let's go. And you can totally upload your own avatar too. Upload it, select it, that's literally it. Now let's switch the product to a men's hair wax. Hit confirm, and you're done. Just like that. Here's me reviewing the hair wax. Pretty cool, right? No filming, no showing your face, just a clean, professional product video. Done. More quality, more variety, all in one place. AI Studios. Go try it out.